To add Barclays to Apple Pay, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have the latest version of iOS. You will need an iPhone or Apple Watch to use Apple Pay. First, open the Wallet app on your device. Then tap the plus sign in the top right corner to begin the process of adding a new card. Select Continue. Then choose the type of card you want to add. In this case, a credit or debit card from Barclays. Use your device's camera to capture the card information, or you can enter it manually. If you choose to use the camera, place your card in the frame and the app will automatically detect the card number and expiration date. If you are entering the information manually, make sure to type it in correctly. Next, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions of adding your card to Apple Pay. Review the information carefully, then tap Agree to continue. Barclays may require you to verify your card through a text message or phone call, so make sure you have access to the phone associated with your account. Once your card is verified, you will receive a confirmation message stating that your card has been added to Apple Pay. You can now use your device to make payments with your Barclays card at merchants that accept Apple Pay. To use Apple Pay, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Then select the card you want to use. You can also change the default card in the Wallet app by tapping and holding the card you want to use, then dragging it to the front. It is also a good idea to set up a passcode or use Face ID or Touch ID to secure your device and protect your card information. This will help prevent unauthorized transactions and keep your account secure. By following these steps, you can easily add your Barclays card to Apple Pay and start making convenient and secure payments with your device.